Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with Luvme Hair, and this hair, guys, this is honestly straight out the box. Like, I haven't done anything to this wig. I don't think you guys understand. Like, it came curled, it came pre-plucked, and it came pre-bleached already, so I didn't even have to do I didn't have to do anything. This is literally just me putting this wig on straight from the box. So what I did literally was put a bit of foundation on the lace, and I'm literally gonna start gluing. So guys, and the hair just feels, this hair, like, straight out of the box. I'm not gonna lie, if you're a beginner, this hair is definitely for you, because you literally don't have to do anything but install it, whether you want to install it yourself or give it to your hairdresser. Like, I'm just right now trying to figure out if I want to do recap method or not. So I have like a recap underneath, but I'm not sure if I want to do it or not. So I'm kind of trying to figure it out right now. I don't know, because this is what it looks like without wig cap method. Like, guys, I don't think you guys can understand. This is without wig cap method, and it already looks like melted into my skin. Okay guys, so look, this is literally the wig on, just with a headband, and look, it is literally glueless already. Like, probably could pluck it a bit more, but you know, can't. But this is literally the wig straight off the bat, and it just looks so good. Like, I probably don't even have to do much to it. I'm trying to figure out if I want like a middle part or side part now. I don't know. I'm just gonna, let's just start by gluing it. Okay. I'm gonna cut off the excess hair that I don't need around my ear tabs. So what I'm gonna do is literally just tie up this part here. Then I'm gonna feel around this area.
How do you know the way I feel? You got me losing my mind. Oh, try to suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains, baby. They take me up, they take me down.
So that is what the wig looks like when I've cut off the tabs. So I'm gonna go in and section the lace into 3. Glue it from here.
Coming, yeah, coming. I cannot fathom this life without you. Coming, coming, yeah, coming. This feels like home now. Coming and stay here.
This is the first layer. So that is the glue after 2 layers. I'm gonna go in my 3rd layer. So I'm using really thin layers of glue because I really want the glue to melt into my skin. I don't want it to leave like a white cast. I don't really need much glue for this hair because it's actually really glueless already. It can be worn glueless already, so this is just like extra proportion.
I love to show you, but you let me love you, baby.
Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then I'm just gonna bring this forward and just okay, so that is the first side done. I'm gonna move on to this section now. and glued this one. So I'm just trying to figure out how kind of close I want it to be. I'm gonna just put it all here.
Finally, I'm not running back, I'm turning down, turning up and down and down, coming down. I be coming for your mind, running deep, I be fighting for.
So I'm just gonna go with a little bit of got to be, just to kind of spray it over for like extra security, and just spray that over the glue there.
In my own, just been out there waiting for you to come here and be underrating. Rhyme my way, would you rhyme my back? Cause I've been giving you my time, and I make iced tea and I make it where you love. Yeah, so then I'll be the one you run to, and I'll be for you and no one else. Tell me what you want.
So basically I kind of left, I didn't glue down that side too much because sometimes when I do that all in one go it doesn't glue and then I'm gonna have to go over it again. So I sometimes leave it last so I can actually focus in it, so that I have to keep going over it and applying too much glue to my hairline.
Finally, I'm not running back, I'm turning down, turning up and down and down, coming down. I be coming for your mind, running deep.
Okay, so that's what this side looks like when it's all glued on. Oh shit. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to this side, and I'm going to. So I think I'm gonna go for a side part today, but I don't know. So the wig has been glued on now, and this is what it looks like. But I don't know, shadow side or middle. I think side looks grown. And then I'm gonna go for a side part. So as I'm gonna I'm about to hot comb the hair, I'm just gonna melt my lace. I'm gonna use this headband to just melt. Make sure everything is literally stuck on my head. Okay, so I'm about to go in and start hot combing the sections to make this wig as flat as possible, because even though it's a side part and I want like a body, I still don't want it to be as bulky as this. I just want it to be, you know, more like that. So I'm going to start with this side, since this side's going to take the longest. I'm just going to clip this rest of it back. And then what you do to kind of get like a really flat, so what I do, I would just take my wax stick and then I would part it and then apply the wax stick onto that part and literally hot comb it down until it's flat. So I'll just do this until I get to the front. Okay guys, so this is what the wig looks like. It has been molded into its shape, and so I went for a side part. I kind of went for a straight side part as well, because normally like I wouldn't quite curve. I'm not sure if I'll change it just yet, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna cut this. Wow. Somebody please tell me where the lace is. Don't tell me where the cast is, but tell me where the lace is. It's giving I relaxed my hair. That's what it's giving. Okay, let me cut this one now. And I don't even need to curl it, because I think this is pretty enough. This is actually basically the wig done, guys, because I don't think I'm going to put any baby hairs in it. I'm going to keep it quite mature looking. You know, I'm looking grown today. 20 who? But yeah, this is absolutely amazing. The lace is literally undetectable. I mean, you might be able to see a little cast, but in personal, like, guys, you can't see nothing. Like, I definitely could have gone in and plucked the wig a bit more, but other than that, I don't even have to do like literally anything to it. This is straight out the box. All I literally did was put it on my head and stick it on my head, and that's it. The curls came like this. The lace came perfect. It came bleached. It even came pre-plucked, but obviously I could have gone in and plucked it a bit more, which I probably still will afterwards. But it even came with a parting set, but obviously I didn't use that parting. So if you guys are beginner friendly, I'm telling you, this is the wig for you, because it's actually really, really good. And I'm kind of in love. Like, I actually love this wig right now, and it just feels so good. Like, honestly, guys, look. And it's all like a bouncy. Make sure you guys check out Luvme Hair. The hair is absolutely amazing, so you definitely have to check it out. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. It looks absolutely phenomenal. The hair quality is top notch. It's literally so silky that you guys can already see, like, my hand's not even getting tangled. It's not even like, it's not even getting caught. Like, guys, this hair is absolutely amazing. It's definitely worth your coins. I would definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just feel like it's not giving a full look without these glasses for some reason, and I hate wearing my glasses, but I feel like it's given in this look, so it's like I just have to wear it. Okay. I just feel like it's given something. It's given teacher, you know. It's given grown, especially with the no baby hairs. It's given grown. It's given sexy. You heard, I didn't say sexy, I said sexy. You know, it's given all of these things. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.